Objective: installation of Python. Python is a popular high-level, general-use programming language. Python is a programming language that enables rapid development as well as more effective system integration. Python has two main different versions, Python 2 and Python 3. Both are really different. Installation on Windows. Visit the link https://www.python.org to download the latest release of Python. In this process, we will install Python 3.11.3 on our Windows operating system. When we click on the above link, it will bring us the following page. Step 1. Select the Python's version to download. Click on the download button to download the exe file of Python. If in case you want to download the specific version of Python, then you can scroll down further below to see different versions from 2 and 3 respectively. Click on download button right next to the version number you want to download. Step 2. Click on the install now. Double-click the executable file, which is downloaded. The following window will open. Click on the Add Path checkbox. It will set the Python path automatically. Now, select Customize Installation and proceed. We can also click on the Customize Installation to choose desired location and features. Other important thing is Install Launcher for the All User must be checked. Here, under the Advanced options, click on the checkboxes of Install Python 3.11 for all users, which is previously not checked in. This will check the other option, Precompile Standard Library, automatically. And the location of the installation will also be changed. We can change it later, so we leave the install location default. Then, click on the Install button to finally install. Step 3. Installation in process. The setup is in progress. All the Python libraries, packages, and other Python default files will be installed in our system. Once the installation is successful, the following page will appear saying, Setup was successful. Step 4. Verifying the Python installation. To verify whether the Python is installed or not in our system, we have to do the following. Go to Start button and search CMD. Then type Python version. If Python is successfully installed, then we can see the version of the Python installed. If not installed, then it will print the error as Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. We are ready to work with the Python. Step 5. Opening idle. Now, to work on our first Python program, we will go the Interactive Interpreter prompt, idle. To open this, go to Start and type idle. Then, click on Open to start working on idle.